Hey everyone, welcome back to License to Trail. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into CapCut on your computer without using TikTok, Facebook, or Google. Sounds impossible? Stick around. There's a simple trick using a QR code on your phone. Okay, first things first, go ahead and launch CapCut on your PC or Mac. Once CapCut is opened, click on Sign In. Now you will notice it only shows login options for TikTok, Google, or Facebook. No email or password option in sight. Annoying, right? Alright, so what you want to do now is select the QR code option. Selecting it, you now see that CapCut instructs you to use the mobile app to scan this code, the QR code. This right here is our workaround. Now, if you don't have the CapCut app on your phone, go ahead and download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have it downloaded and installed on your phone, open the CapCut app, then tap on the Meet tab at the bottom, and then tap Sign In at the top. Once you tap on Sign In, now you will see the Sign In with Email option along with the TikTok, Facebook, and Google options. Go ahead and tap Sign In with Email. Now, if you already have an account, that's a CapCut account, simply enter your email and password to log in. If you did not have a CapCut account yet, tap Sign Up at the bottom, register with your email, then return to the login screen when done. Once you are logged into the mobile app, tap Scan, which will open the inbuilt QR scanner. Point your phone at the QR code on your desktop. Once you've successfully scanned the QR code, you will see a check mark letting you know that the QR code has been scanned. Now on your phone, you will see Confirm Sign-In on CapCut's desktop. Go ahead and hit Confirm on your phone. After confirming, you will automatically be logged in into CapCut's desktop without using TikTok, Google, or Facebook. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tips, and drop any questions down below. Thanks for watching, stay trailed, and cheers.